The Department of Personnel and Training has taken steps to tackle tardiness among government employees across India. They've now mandated that all the staff, including senior officers, must be at their desk and mark their attendance using biometric systems by 9:15 a.m. If they arrive later, they'll lose half a day's casual leave. The recent circular has cautioned government officials about habitual late-coming and early leaving of office. Since the COVID-19 outbreak 4 years ago, many employees had stopped using the biometric system, opting for more flexible arrangements. The new circular states on using the biometric system instead of the register-based attendance and requires employees to inform and apply for casual leave in advance if they can't make it to work. Senior officers have been tasked with overseeing attendance and punctuality within their areas. Despite government offices operating from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m., there has been a common issue of employees arriving late and leaving early, including those in public serving roles. Senior officials argued that their work often extends beyond these hours, with electronic access to files enabling them to work remotely, even on weekends and holidays. The Aadhaar-enabled biometric system, introduced during the Modi government's tenure, was effective in tracking attendance but was paused during the COVID-19 pandemic. The system resumed functioning in February 2022. In departments where IT-enabled systems handle public interactions without face-to-face contact, many employees frequently miss work or appear briefly. So these latest measures aim to instill stricter discipline and efficient government operations but may frustrate those who are accustomed to arriving late.